Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a social media share widget in Elementor WordPress. This is a fantastic way to encourage your visitors to share your content across their social networks, helping you expand your reach and grow your audience organically. Let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for managing everything on your website. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where all your main navigation options are located. From there, navigate to Pages, then click on All Pages. This section displays all the pages you've created on your WordPress site, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Now browse through your list of pages and look for the specific page you want to edit. It could be your home page, a blog post, or any landing page where you'd like visitors to share your content. Once you've found it, click on Edit with Elementor. This action will open up the Elementor page builder, which is where the magic happens. Elementor provides a visual drag-and-drop interface that makes designing and editing pages incredibly intuitive, even if you're not a coding expert. With the Elementor editor now open, you'll notice the sidebar panel on the left side of your screen. This panel is packed with widgets and elements you can add to your page. At the top of this sidebar, you'll find a search bar. Click on it and type Sharing Buttons. This search function is super handy because it quickly filters through all available widgets to show you exactly what you need without having to scroll endlessly through options. Once the Sharing Buttons widget appears in the search results, simply click and drag it onto your desired area on the page. You might want it at the top of your content to catch attention immediately, or perhaps at the bottom after readers have finished consuming your content. The choice is yours, and you can always adjust the placement later if needed. After dropping the widget into place, Elementor will automatically display a set of social media sharing buttons that visitors can use to share your page on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more. And there you have it. You've successfully created a social media share widget in Elementor WordPress, making it easier than ever for your audience to spread the word about your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.